Hello, today we're in Washington D.C. and I'm going to give you a full-on class project. State your full name.
Dwayne Adolph Moody.
Dwayne is a former singer with Three Mo Tenors, right? And appeared on Broadway. And here he is in his full COVID outfit.
And now I'm an associate professor at Berklee College of Music now.
Oh, he's associate professor at Berklee College. This guy's a star, I'm telling you. I knew it when he walked in the room. And here he is. Now, Dwayne, show us your bouquet step by step.
Now, basically, I'm taking one row, one flower at a time, one mass flower at a time, taking it, holding it at the base here, with the fist, using my little whack.
Yep, whack, whack, whack. That's what I teach in class.
Together, turn.
He's doing an all mass design, meaning all the flowers he's working with today are mass flowers. Remember, we learned in school, line flowers are a single line of flowers like a snapdragon, and mass flowers are like a stick. Oh, guys, I forgot my Dusty Miller, that gray stuff. Yeah, add that. So Dwayne is going to town. He's been very good today. He has done stellar designs. Where are your designs? Here they are.
All here.
This is earlier today. Spectacular work. So, apparently, if you're a Broadway singer, you also design flowers very well. There's some sort of coordination here.
Mainly opera, though.
Mainly opera?
Florida opera, Tel Aviv opera. I also represent the State Department in Santo Domingo with Three Mo Tenors as well. I represented our country for a concert. So.
He's also a friend of my friend, Cicely Tyson.
I met Cicely Tyson.
He's met her as well, and he said the right thing about her. She's a private woman.
Very private.
Really private.
She was nice to me, though.
She was nice to me. She's very nice, but private. She was in my classes in New York. I love her to death.
Yeah, I had the pleasure of singing for her several years ago.
Yes, he sang for Miss Tyson.
Yeah.
So give us an aerial view. Look at that. It's pretty already. Keep going. So Edwin started today. He's never taken professional classes before, but he wanted to know the right way to design flowers, a little formal training. And he's getting it today. He's always the first one done with his project so far. This is our 5th or 6th project of the day, and he is just going to town. So he's crisscrossing his flowers. Watch, see, right there. Grab it with those 2 fingers. He closes and gives a little spin. Like swords through a magician's box. He's coming from every angle. He's always looking at the top of his design, like a drone overview. He's also, see how he's pulling up the center? That's because he's doing a dome. He wants it to slightly go over at the edges, like looking at the Earth from the moon. It should be round. Here are his last of his mini green hydrangeas being popped in. Picking out some overpowering leaves. I'm doing a narrative step by step. Okay, show us now. Now he's about 2/3 of the way done. Hold it right there. I would suggest put one of those yellow stems on the other side. You're overpowered with that yellow. It's the first thing I'm noticing, that yellow. Yes. Whenever you look at flower arrangements, you'll notice the one, I call it mistake. Is that only one stem?
This one out.
Oh yeah, put it on the other side. There you go. That's a lot of flowers on one stem. No wonder it's overpowering. Okay, let's see now. Show our viewers now. Much prettier. There you go. Now he's 2/3 of the way done. So don't judge a book by its cover until the cover's all done. He's got a little Alstroemeria he's putting in there. So I just threw random flowers at them and told them a typical guy will give them 8 minutes at the counter to do a bouquet. This one was for an anniversary, I told him. And we just threw numerous flowers at him, and I said, go, do it. He's got a broken flower. Find one. Oh, there's more around. Pull one rose out of my arrangement on the center table there. Here, I'll go get you one. So here we are in Washington. There's more students designing. I'm going to pull some flowers out of my arrangement I did earlier and give them back to our singing sensation here at the Washington School of Flower Design. Now he's going to have a few flowers left, so he's going to really focus on where those should go. And they're orange. So orange is a power color. I just made that up, power color. But it is. It's vibrant. It's you got a lot of vibrant. Look at him. He knows where that's exactly where I would have put it, Dwayne. The kid's a star already. He's just been here one day. Okay, give us another aerial.
era.
Look at that. Ooh, it looks like Candyland, the game, in his hand.
Oh, it's good?
See?
Okay.
Every 2 minutes it gets better and better. Now